Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send or transfer funds from PayPal account to Payoneer account, right? So right now you can see I'm in the Payoneer account, and basically you have to click on the Payoneer customer help, which is on right side corner. So just click on here, and after that you will be redirected to a new page. This is a support home page, right? So basically there is not any system, or there is not a single click where you can transfer your money from Payoneer to PayPal. So you have to click on the send payment and withdraw to bank, and after that click here and you will get the second option, that is a withdraw bank account. So just click on here, and after that it will take a very few seconds, and basically here you will get the first option, how do I withdraw my funds to my bank account, right? So basically click on here, and after that you will see a lot of options, and in the bottom you will find to contact them, right? So let me show you. So basically right now I'm not able to find here, but somehow this could be the glitch of. So let me just try from a different way. And here if I just click on here, and it will take just a few seconds to load, and here you will get the contact us, right? So basically again you will be redirected to a new page, and this is very important guys, and here you will get the three options: send message, live chat, and call. So basically I always prefer live chat because that is a pretty more convenient and fast, and send message is a little bit slow. So right now live chat is not available because the timing is not proper. You can see the timing will be always between the working hours from 1 a.m. to 19, right? So just click on the send message, and after that here you can just write all the information and all the details, that this is my PayPal account, here I want to transfer my fund and all that. So they will try to help you just in the 24 hours, and you can just try out the callers. That will be more convenient and pretty fast, right? So this is it guys. If you found this video really interesting, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel. See you guys in the next video.